Have you ever wondered if an object can actually sing to you, revealing its true nature through sound alone? It might sound like something out of a fairy tale, but with precious metals, listening closely can tell you a surprising amount. When pure silver is gently struck or pinged, it produces a distinctive, high-pitched, and prolonged bell-like tone, often described as a clear and resonant ring that sustains for several seconds. This beautiful, almost ethereal sound is a key indicator of its purity and is quite different from the duller thud you might hear from plated or base metals. The reason pure silver sings so beautifully comes down to its unique metallurgical properties. Silver is a highly dense and homogeneous metal, meaning its internal structure is very consistent. When struck, these uniform atomic bonds allow sound waves to travel through the material with minimal damping or energy loss. This results in a clear, sustained vibration. Alloys, which are mixtures of metals, and plated items have irregular internal structures that absorb more sound, causing the ring to be shorter and less clear. To try this yourself, hold a silver item lightly between your thumb and forefinger, allowing it to hang freely. Then, gently tap it with a small, harder object, such as another piece of silver, a coin, or even your fingernail. Listen carefully to the duration and clarity of the sound. A genuine silver piece should produce that recognizable, lingering high tone, while a non-silver or plated item will likely yield a shorter, duller, or even a muted sound. The sustained resonant sound you are listening for is often referred to as the silver bell tone by jewelers and collectors, a signature acoustic characteristic. This auditory test, while not definitive enough for official certification, is a time-honored simple trick that can quickly help you distinguish between solid silver and less valuable imposters, especially when evaluating items like coins, flatware, or hollowware. It is a quick and satisfying way to confirm the quality of a piece, complementing other simple checks like looking for hallmarks or checking for magnetism. Understanding the clear, sustained ring of pure silver when pinged offers you a simple yet effective tool for quickly assessing the authenticity of pieces, empowering you to make more informed decisions and appreciate the genuine quality of your silver possessions.